Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, I've been using Physicians Choice Probiotics for about 8 years. I'll tell you the story and how I get started and how well it works for me. But I wanted to tell you that I reached out to the manufacturer, Physicians Choice, and I said, hey, I've been using your product a long time. How about sending me some of the powder form? They call them grab and go stick packs, I think. And they sent them to me. So I'm going to try it right here on camera for the very first time. Now, let me say this right up front. I am not in the medical field. I am not a physician. I'm not giving medical advice in any way, shape, or form. I'm only telling you exactly what my experience has been over the years. It started about 8 years ago when I had surgery. It didn't go well, and there were complications, and I got an infection. So I was put on massive doses of antibiotics. I was told by people there in the hospital that I should go on probiotics, but I didn't. Big mistake. I finally got sepsis, and it was pretty bad. So I decided at that point, 8 years ago, that I would start taking probiotics on a daily basis. When I did research, I discovered that the opportunity to ingest bad bacteria is everywhere. It's in the food, it's in the drink. We could touch something and then put our hand to our mouth. But bad bacteria is everywhere. And if you don't do something about it, or if it's too much, it tends to overwhelm your gut. Your gut, by the way, is your stomach, your upper and lower intestine. Let's have a look at the bottle, and it says 60 billion probiotics. What does that mean? Well, 60 billion stands for CFU, or colony forming units. Imagine for a second that this is your army. It's an army of 60 billion, and there are 10, because there's 10 strains of bacteria in here, 10 columns of soldiers lined up to help you combat the bad bacteria. And that's how it works. You introduce the good bacteria, it overwhelms the bad bacteria, and they get flushed out of your body. Now, what's interesting about probiotics is they are a regulator of your gut. In other words, they protect against diarrhea and they protect against constipation because they keep you nice and regular so that when it's time to use the facilities, it's not a problem. Okay, now it's time for me to try this stick form or powder form. Let me pour some water into the glass. Probably should do a better job putting it in the water. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely no taste. I can't taste anything. I wouldn't even know it was there if I didn't see this leftover residue because I didn't mix it well enough. Well, there you go, folks. Now, if you can't take the capsules, I'm sure that the powder form will work just as well. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a huge fan of Physicians Choice Probiotics. It has definitely made my life less complicated because it keeps my gut nice and regulated. I highly recommend you give it a try. Hey, thanks for watching.